Understanding the phrase, pointing a finger, a guide to English idioms. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of idiomatic expressions, focusing on the phrase, pointing a finger. Understanding idioms is crucial as they enrich your language skills and help you express yourself more naturally. So, let's dive in and unfold the layers of meaning behind this common phrase. Before we delve into the idiomatic meaning, let's understand the literal sense of the words. Pointing generally involves extending your finger towards a person, object, or direction, indicating where someone should look or go. It's a basic but powerful gesture used universally. However, the simplicity of this action takes on a deeper meaning when used in certain contexts. In idiomatic English, pointing a finger often has nothing to do with the physical act. Instead, it means to blame or accuse someone. When someone says, "He's pointing a finger at me," it doesn't usually mean a literal finger is being pointed. Rather, it suggests that the person feels blamed or held responsible for something, often in a negative context. Let's see how this phrase is used in sentences to grasp its idiomatic essence better. After the mistake was discovered in the report, everyone started pointing fingers at each other, trying to avoid responsibility. She felt uncomfortable in the meeting because it seemed like everyone was pointing a finger at her for the project's failure. Notice how in these examples, the phrase is used to express blame or responsibility, not the physical action of pointing. The phrase can also appear in different forms while retaining its idiomatic meaning. For instance, pointing the finger at someone, this variation explicitly indicates the direction of blame or accusation. Having a finger pointed at one, this passive form emphasizes the feeling or position of being accused or blamed. Today, we've unlocked the meaning behind the phrase, pointing a finger, and learned how it's much more than a physical gesture in the English language. Understanding such idioms not only makes you proficient in English but also helps you grasp the cultural nuances embedded in everyday communication. Keep exploring and practicing, and soon you'll be using idioms like a native speaker. Thank you for joining us, and we hope this video has been enlightening.